Hello everyone, myself Arpit Kaushik. So new day, new start, new topic. आज हम लोग today we will going to discuss on the topic AI, artificial intelligence. In the whole world there is a boom of AI, and I think I am making the video late. The boom has been started 1 to 1.5 years ago. So yeah, what is AI? We all know it is artificial intelligence. How is it impacting the life? I will give my personal opinion that what benefit I have observed while using the AI. First of all, when I was in 10th class, if I have experienced that if I am stuck at any question or any explanation, then I would leave that or should go to the teacher for the solution, which was a little time taking because going asking teachers and whether they are available or not. So this was a hectic type, a stressful job, a somewhat stressful to get the answer. You should take a lot of pain at that time. But now, when I am in college, my syllabus has been doubled. My the quality of the questions have been increased. They are more difficult. But now, if I stuck at any explanation on any step, then what I do, I just take it and take the screenshot to the but now I just take the snapshot of my question or my problem. I upload it on the Chat GPT, most famous AI tool, and there I can there it gives me the solution in any language with clear understanding. Even it tells us the basic concept which we might have been forgotten. So yeah, I think if I compare it in a ratio, then that time if I had to do the difficulty of 50%, now it has been reduced to only 5%. Like the AI has made my work 100 or 10 times faster, I can say. Now the second thing which I observed, earlier I started a YouTube channel in which I was uploading funny vines video. At that time, to even make a thumbnail of YouTube, it took me 2 to 3 hours just to make a fine thumbnail, which was not that much high quality. Don't doubt on my skill. I am a good editor, but still, it took me 2 to 3 hours. That time we were not having that good features also. So that time it took me so long. But now I just give a prompt to ChatGPT. I just tell ChatGPT to write a prompt for my thumbnail video on the topic so and so. It gives me a prompt of 50 lines. I just take that prompt, copy it from the ChatGPT and move to the Gemini image generating tool. It is another AI tool by Google. Here I just upload the prompt and I get so much high quality image, so much high quality thumbnail within 30 seconds. So you just see how much fast this AI has done our work. So yes, even now the thumbnail which you see on my video are generated by AI tool all. Now the third AI tool which I enjoyed, which have boomed my mind, which have shocked me, and that is Notebook LM. It is in another tool from. So the third most famous tool, AI tool which I was talking about is Notebook LM. Earlier when I saw the ad on the social media, I thought they are just overreacting on this app, but no, it is truly a very efficient app, efficient AI tool which makes our work very easy. What I do, what problem I suffer that when in the first year when I used to get the syllabus of my college exams, then it was too hectic to just search what we have to study and what we don't have to study. What is coming in our PYQ, what are not coming, so that I can give specific time to the questions which are high scoring. So I just used to look for the videos, and when I used to give paper, I just feel very sad that I have spent a lot of time studying this syllabus, studying this particular topic, and it didn't come at any of the year. This made me so much sad. So, but later when I came to know about Notebook LM, it is so good app that it only requires your sources. Like one of the practical example which I did earlier was I uploaded last 5 years PYQ of my subject to that AI tool, and then uploaded the question, then uploaded the syllabus, and later I also uploaded the notes which were given by our teacher to that AI tool. So it contained 10 to 12 sources, 10 to 12 PDF. Now what it does, that if I have to know that which thing I should study, which have high frequency of repetition in PYQ and later also, so I just have to write a line that please provide me with the questions that are coming again and again in every year. So it gives us such a detailed and structured answer that if you just read that particular subtopic also, you will get the marks. So see how much magnificent is this. And do you know there are so many AI tools which I don't even know also, which I am not aware of, which makes our work 1,000 times, 100 times, not overrating, 100 times faster and easier. So yeah, this was a video on AI tools, their uses, their effect, and yeah, there are side effects also, which you all know, that phishing and making a unrelevant videos. Sorry, not unrelevant. Is what that word is? Unethical videos. I should say unethical videos which do not contain moral. So yeah, these are the big side effects. But yes, I am talking here about positivity. I will talk here about the positive things which it can bring to us. Now we will talk more about AI tools as I will learn more in the later video. I hope you all are doing good. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Signing off. अच्छा सा extra. So okay, bye bye. Arpit Kaushik signing off.